Welcome to Conceptual Wealth, where we break down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand bites. Today, we're tackling a topic that's been making headlines: inflation. So, what exactly is inflation? In simple terms, inflation is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services rises, eroding the purchasing power of money. When inflation is high, each dollar buys less, which means you need more money to buy the same things. There are a few key factors that drive inflation. Let's break them down quickly. First, there's demand-pull inflation. This happens when the demand for goods and services exceeds supply, causing prices to rise. Next, we have cost-push inflation, where the cost of production increases, leading businesses to raise prices. Lastly, monetary policy. When central banks print more money or lower interest rates, it can lead to more money chasing the same amount of goods, driving up prices. Inflation doesn't just impact the economy on a large scale, it also affects your everyday life. For instance, your savings might not stretch as far as they used to. The same $100 that could fill your grocery cart a few years ago might only cover half of it today. Similarly, if you're on a fixed income or saving for retirement, inflation can eat into your purchasing power over time. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are ways to protect yourself against inflation. Consider investing in assets that typically outpace inflation, like real estate or stocks. Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, are another option, as they're designed to increase in value with inflation. Also, reviewing and adjusting your budget regularly can help you stay ahead of rising costs. Inflation is a complex topic, but understanding it is crucial for making informed financial decisions. By staying aware of how inflation affects your money, you can take steps to protect your wealth. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Conceptual Wealth. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. See you next time!